and welcome to Felicity Plans, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to download your digital planner. So before you download your planner, make sure that your software is updated to the latest version, and as you can see, you can do that in your settings. And another thing is your note-taking app needs to be updated as well, so that way everything runs smoothly while you're planning. And so the next step is to open Etsy in your internet browser, and I'm using Safari. So now that you're in Etsy, click on your profile icon, and in that drop down, click on Purchases and Reviews. And that will take you to all of your purchases, and for digital purchases there will be a download file button on the right. Click on that button. Here you'll see your planner zip file for you to download, and once you've clicked on download, on the top right you will see it loading with that blue arrow pointing downward. All you need to do now is tap on that arrow and click your file to open it in your downloads folder on your iPad or your computer. Click on that file to unzip it and open your PDF. In this PDF, you will find the link to your digital planner and stickers, along with more instructions and video tutorials once you click on that yellow circle. So click that link to your planner, and here's a list of what you'll be downloading. So now that you've had a look through all of your files, click on download again. And that blue arrow at the top will show that it's loading. So once that's finished downloading, click on it to open your planner on your iPad. So here you can see that your planner, your stickers, and the instruction PDF are all saved on your iPad. So for the next video, I'll show you how to import this planner into Goodnotes, Notability, and Noteshelf, along with how to import your stickers and use them within these apps. Keep watching to see more of this vintage planner, which is now available on Etsy and will be linked below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.